Test natin tong ENC 855 BCM 13. Shoutout kay Boss Feb going to Negros. So naka BCM flash hider, 13 inches na BCM handguard, metal. Then metal din yung receiver. And then guys, dun sa receiver, nakita ko na yung markings. Ayan, with TTI markings. So metal yung receiver, dito may markings din. And then naka BCM stock. Naka BCM grip din, polymer grip. Sights, may kasama na siya, front and rear sight. Then yung kabilang side, ayan. So magazine is 120 rounds na mid-cap magazine. Then may kasama na rin siya magazine plates. So may markings din dito. And then battery and charger kasama na rin. Okay, so test natin yung unit. Available in color black. Tapos ito, 460. Okay, so itong unit na to is 450 to 460 out of the box. So for details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.